Hey everyone, in this video tutorial we will fix the issue related to the ShopLentor plugin. If you are using the ShopLentor plugin and wanted to display the wish list page on your site, if you add a product to the wish list table, it's looking good, but when you remove the product from the wish list table, so it's show empty table. So we will fix this issue. Okay, and look at to here, this is the ShopLentor plugin that I have already installed and activated, and now we will set up the wishlist page in our site. Right, so this one is the wishlist page and I wanted to display the product here. So I'm gonna click on home and scroll down. Here you will see the product display options. These product display by using the ShopLentor plugin. Okay, so this one is the product display, and if you wanted to display the product similar like this one, so you can use the ShopLentor plugin. Now I'm gonna click on a wish list, and then I'm gonna click on this wish list icon in the header, and here I wanted to display the product in a table. Right, I'm gonna back to the dashboard and click on the setting inside the ShopLentor. There is a lot of options, so I'm gonna click on modules, and here this one is the wish list. I'm gonna click on setting. These are all the tabs, so I'm gonna click on style, table. Inside the table, this one is the shortcode to display the wish list product in a table. So I'm gonna back to the Elementor and drag right here shortcode. Now I'm gonna drag the shortcode and paste the shortcode inside here. So I'm gonna click on publish, and let's visit the wish list page. Okay, this one is the wish list product, and now I'm gonna click on home, and let's add a product. I'm gonna click on wish list, and then I'm gonna click on this icon. These are the product display in the table. Now I'm gonna remove this product from the table. I'm gonna click on remove. Okay, this one is the table, and here this table is empty, but it still show the header of the table, and I wanted to display just a message instead of this empty table. So I'm gonna click on home and again click on this icon. Again you will see this empty table. So this is the main issue, and we will fix this issue to display a message instead of empty table. Right, these are the codes, so don't worry, I will provide this code in the video descriptions. So I'm gonna copy this code from here and back to the Elementor. I'm gonna remove this widget. I'm gonna delete it and search here for the HTML, drag the HTML widget and paste the code inside here. Now I'm gonna click on publish and then visit the wish list page. Okay, got it. You will see no wish suite is found. Right, I'm gonna click on home and I'm gonna add a product. Okay, this the table is the data is shown inside the table. Now I'm gonna remove this product from the table. Okay, now you will see just a message instead of empty table. Right, so you can customize this text from here. You can write anything, and you can also apply the custom CSS by using this class or inline CSS. Right, so if this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel, comment, like and share. Thank you.